morning. Okay, this whole situation back there, it keeps falling down, so we're just gonna leave it as it is. Today I am finally sitting down with the Sailor Moon Colourpop eyeshadow palette. I am so excited about this. It just takes me back to my childhood so much, so I finally got my hands on it and I am stoked about it. It is absolutely gorgeous.
I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away.
I forget what this used to be called. I remember I used to be so obsessed with them as a kid. These sort of shifting image things. What is it called? I don't even remember. But it's so cool. I'm obsessed. All the shade names are on the back.
When I go to sleep at night.
All of the packaging is absolutely to die for. It is perfection. Honestly, it's just perfection. So let's begin. I'm gonna start off with my face makeup today. Usually I like to do my eyeshadow first, but today we're gonna do face makeup. Just, why not? You know, be a little different. I'm just gonna go ahead and prime. This is the Hourglass Veil Primer. I seriously need to do a massive declutter, more than a declutter. Is my hair a mess? Oh my god. I am just a hot mess today, honestly. Especially my background. My background is a hot mess. It's falling apart. I just can't even. So my makeup collection, most of it is extremely expired and very overcrowded. So I'm actually really excited to film a declutter going through my makeup collection. It's just, oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you guys. It is insane how bad it is. It is just a mess. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Vanilla. A lot of people love this foundation. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I can also tell a lot of my makeup is expired by the way it sits on my face. My whole collection needs a whole refresh. I just feel like nothing's working on my skin anymore, and I think it's just because all my products are so old. Now going in with concealer, I'm going to be using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is in the color Light 18? Light 18.
Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid?
So now I'm going to begin to contour my nose a little bit with the Colourpop No Filter Foundation Stick, I believe this is. This is in the shade Deep Dark 190C. So I just like to use this to contour with.
No, I'm not okay. I just wanna say I need affection. Does it matter what?
I'm going to begin to set very lightly my foundation and concealer. I'm using the RCMA translucent setting powder, which I've had in my drawers for like 5 years, maybe more, I don't even know, 4 or 5 years. It's been a very long time, way too long, but it came in such a big container, it just seems to last forever. So I'm mainly setting my under eye area and down where often my makeup will separate, so just around this area here, and a bit on my nose as well. And with any excess that is on my sponge, I'm just going to tap around my face in hopes that it will press the foundation into my skin a bit more. I wish you could see my dog. She's just freaking out right now. It's just one of those days, okay? You know those days? It's just one of those days today. We're just gonna pretend that didn't even happen. I can't even believe it, honestly. Now I'm going to begin to bronze up, contour my face using some Colourpop blush, contour, highlights, bronzing shades, I don't even know. So I'm going to take a mixture of these two shades here, and we've got Lunar Has It and Private Party. So yeah, just mixing those two shades together, I'm just going to begin to bronze up my face a bit. And for my blush, I'm going to be using My Sun and Stars. I think this might be with Kathleen Lights, Colourpop and Kathleen Lights. I can't quite remember. But it's a really beautiful pink shade with maybe some golden shimmer flicks to it. I'm now going to set my face with some Morphe setting spray. I'll probably do this a few times throughout. Now for my brows, I'm going in with the Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil. I am not even kidding when I tell you this. I have 3 of these in the same shade, completely empty, sitting in my drawer. I haven't even thrown them out yet. That's how bad I need to go through my collection. Now using my Essence Brow Gel, I'm just going to set those brows in place. I'm also going to do a little bit of highlighter right now. I will add more later because you know me, always add more. So this is the Kylie Cosmetics in French Vanilla. And I got this when it first launched. That's how old this one is. And you know what? It is one of my favorites. Just look at that. And just a little bit on my nose. I already get too carried away. I need to put this down. We'll come back to this later. Okay, so now I think we are ready to begin with the eyeshadow palette. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see way better. And all the fairy lights are on the ground now, so you can't even see it. There are so many shades calling my name right now, but I think this one is calling my name the most. I think I just have to make this the centerpiece of the look because it just keeps calling my name and I can't stop looking at it. So the first shade I'm going in with is called Moon Castle, and I'm going to begin to tap this in my crease and just slightly above it. This is a really pretty shade. I don't think I've used this color or anything similar to this for such a long time. Now for a little bit of fun, I'm gonna go in with the shade Justice, and I'm just gonna very gently sweep that above the... Okay, we're just gonna ignore that. Everything's fine. I'm just going to gently buff this very gently and slightly above Moon Castle. Just to give the top of it a little bit of warmth. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut the crease. I really kind of love negative space, so I'd love to try and keep the outsides kind of plain and simple, and then put a little bit of the pop of color right in the center. Let's see how it looks. This is a big risk, so let's hope it pays off. And notice that I'm doing the cut crease sort of across my whole lid. So it's not a half cut crease, it's pretty much a whole cut crease. And I have gone slightly above my natural crease. So now I'm gonna go straight in with the shade Lunar, and I'm just gonna pop that right in the center. How does that look? Does that look good? I love this shade. It is so pretty. Now going in with the shade Shining Moon, I'm going to begin tapping that on the outside of the cut crease from where we put Lunar. This shade has very little bit of shimmer in it as well. Now taking probably the most stunning shade in the whole palette, I do believe this is a pressed glitter, I think. And I'm just gonna tap that all over the lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. So now that that's done, let's continue off with the rest of the makeup. I think I'm gonna do my lips first. Different, I know. For my lips, the first shade I'm going in with is Colourpop Luxe Velvet in the shade Casual Dress. I think I want glossy lips today, but we're gonna start with this. Now going back in with the eyeshadow palette, I'm thinking for my bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with the shade Miracle Romance. I think that extra bit of pop of color will be really nice. I think this look is really wearable as well. Even though it's got some really bright colors, I think it's super wearable and I'd be fine going out like this. Time for the inner corner. We're gonna go in with this shade right here. I do believe this is like a super shock shadow type of formula.
You're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love.
Whoa, do you see that? My goodness. My goodness. Wow. Now I'm going to set my face once again with the Morphe Setting Mist and ruin my hair. Also going to go in with a bit more highlighter, of course. And with this same highlighter, I'm going to just go on the brow bone as well. For my waterline, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Crybaby. And now I'm just going to line my lash line just to help hide any false lashes, because I think I'm going to need it for this look.
Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly.
Now it's time for some mascara.
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies.
For lashes I will be using today is the Glam by Manicure in the shade Luxe, 59 Harper, I think. But yeah, this is what they look like. I really like them. They're not over dramatic. They're just a little bit of something something, you know. I like that look. So I'll be right back with the lashes on. I'm also thinking of changing up the lip color. So the other two shades I have here, also from Colourpop, is Stone Fox and Afterglow. I don't know which one. I don't know which one. So this is Afterglow. Ooh. And this is Stone Fox. Which one would you guys pick? Comment down below which one you guys would pick. I can't decide. No, I changed my mind again. I changed my mind again. So I've been running around crazy. I think we are just gonna go with Plan A, which is a gloss. So this is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb. So pretty. Don't you love that sound? Okay, I think I'm happy with that. So this is now the part of the video where I tell you that this is the completed look. I love it. I think it's perfect. I love this palette. I can't wait to use it more. Thank you guys so very much for watching this tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for some more tutorials. And I love it. I'm obsessed with Colourpop palettes, as you will see from my past videos. So I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in a few days for a new video. And okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Mwah.